Hello climbers, and welcome to our deep dive into the Metolius Ultralight Master Cam number 2. This piece of gear is 40% lighter than conventional cams to help you climb further. The color-coded trigger and thumb piece make identifying your sizes quick and easy. Each unit features durable 11mm Monster Sling, webbing for added security on the wall. We love the precision of the CNC machined lobes compared to standard stamped parts. Every single cam is hand-built and individually proof-tested in Bend, Oregon. You can trust this expert craftsmanship on your most challenging vertical adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.